Chris Paul becomes the 10th player in NBA history to record 8,000 career assists. By comparison, John Stockton holds the record with more than 15,000 assists in 19 NBA seasons. Chris Paul has played 12 NBA seasons. It's amazing, isn't it? For comparison purposes, here's some more stats. At second place is Jason Kidd with 12,000 assists. Then Steve Nash has 10,000. Number 4 is Mark Jackson with 10,000. Number 5 is Magic Johnson, also in the 10,000 range. Very interesting looking at that list with all those big names. Look at that lob. Wow. What a pass. It was like a reverse lob, turn around in midair. So CP3 is climbing up that ladder. Another dime to Redick. In transition is Felton this time. Finding Redick again. He's on fire in the corner. They're blowing out the Miami Heat in the second half. CP3 finished this game with 18 assists. Dion Waiters got ejected from this game for throwing an elbow to the back of JJ Redick's head. The referees had to review it and they threw him out in the third quarter. Is CP3 about to break some more ankles on Tyler Johnson? Nah, he's just going to get another assist. Look at that pass. That was crazy. Over the little double team that they had there. Now he finds space open for 3. Remember, he had 18 assists in this game. Here goes another one. Step back move. Using the pick, fake the pass. Oh, baby. Oh, when you get 18 assists, you can fake an assist every once in a while like that. Carroll had 6 threes in this game. Here's one in transition, third quarter. Nothing but net. Lowry. What a pass. Back to Carroll. Another splash. That was a crazy possession there. He was almost out of bounds. How did he get that pass through? Harden dishes it off. Free throw line. Floater. Getting the bounce on